Hi, my name is Daniel Lee, and I'm applying for the 2024 NASA SEAS internship. Before I begin, here's a quick story of my life. I was born in Tamuning, Guam on February 17, 2007. Since then, I moved to South Korea, where I spent the first 6 years of my life. Then, it was around the time I turned 7 when my crazy Pacific Island journey began. The first place I moved to was a small island in the South Pacific, Fiji. I was tricked by my parents, who said to me, "It's just a vacation." When I first moved to Fiji, the life that I once knew flipped upside down. At school, I was the only scrawny and fair-skinned Asian kid, and the polarizing opposite of my brown-skinned and bigger peers isolated me quickly. However, after a few months of countless failed conversations, a soccer ball rolled towards my feet. When I intuitively flicked the ball up to my hands, I was invited by countless hand gestures from everybody. Every pass and shot on the field slowly broke the barriers between me and my peers, allowing me to embrace the island culture as my third culture. From finally picking up English and Fijian to learning the traditional Fijian fire knife dance, I was inspired by my peers' support to believe in the power of engaging into a community. Then, it was another vacation. This time, I moved to an even smaller island called American Samoa. Trick or not, moving to American Samoa was no longer a challenge this time, as I took the initiatives to join the local communities. I involved myself within different clubs at school, immediately becoming a National Honor Society member, secretary in the student government, and president of the Interact Club. As the president, I was determined to inspire my peers to recognize the importance of giving back to the community. To accomplish this goal, I coordinated projects like 5K Marathon for breast cancer awareness, clothing drive for victims of Hawaii volcanic eruption, can recycling projects, and more. Now, let me talk a little about my academics. Last year, I placed 3rd overall in the Territorial Science Fair. This qualified me to represent my island, American Samoa, at the International Science and Engineering Fair at Dallas, Texas in May. There, I met many outstanding scientists from literally all over the world. Interacting with these peers motivated me to come up with more innovative projects. A few months after ISEF, I was selected to participate in Carnegie Mellon University's Computer Science Scholars Program. This program introduced me to more sophisticated Python programming, sparking my interest in data science and machine learning. This selected program was no easy task as the learning curve was steep, but with the guidance of Professor Kelly Rivers, I was able to not only complete the program with a perfect mark, but triggered my inner curiosity to learn more and even start my own individual research project to help solve my island's biggest problem, coral bleaching. I created a machine learning coral bleaching detection model from coral images. I analyzed images, crafting a semi-supervised neural network for segmentation and identification. This project placed 4th place in the American Samoa Territorial Symposium, which qualified me once again to represent my island at Junior Science and Humanities Symposium. Additionally, last year I was also nominated as the captain of my school's advanced robotics team. My team and I put over 100 hours into this project and managed to place 1st in the territorial robotics competition. While serving as both the hardware and software engineer, I discovered the true definition of engineering and acquired a lot of engineering skills. Other than academics, I am a passionate soccer player. Soccer occupies a special place in my heart as I reached the level of a national player to represent American Samoa in the Oceania Football Championship. Last year, I competed in the Oceania Under-17 World Cup qualifiers at Fiji. This was a once-in-a-lifetime experience for me as I got to eat, train, sleep, and compete with national athletes from other big island nations. In conclusion, the challenges and experiences I faced shaped me into a highly self-driven individual who can persevere through daunting obstacles and equip me with valuable skills that I aim to further develop as a NASA SEAS intern. I want to explore my strong passion for computer science in a future research career with NASA or hope to develop data analysis model for space explorations. I also want to utilize my future career in STEM to help empower underrepresented Pacific Islanders who have strong passion in STEM but don't have enough resources. Overall, I believe my diverse experiences in extracurriculars and rigorous coursework have cultivated a strong educational foundation and skill set. The NASA SEAS internship will be a vital stepping stone in my career and education, offering invaluable STEM experiences and top-tier mentorship. I am deeply grateful for your consideration, and hopefully I'll see you this summer.